Hey guys, so I turned on my old Windows Home Media Server 2003. So if you look in here, you'll see that I have this fan hooked up as the CPU fan, and then the CPU fan is running, but I have it hooked to the board right there. Now, the reason for that is because when I booted it up, it told me the CPU fan was not present, but it was working. So I had to go get the old CPU fan, this thing here, and do as I just said. Now we have that problem fixed. I have to figure out what my password is and or how to hack Windows Home Server 2003, which I own, but I can't remember what the password was. That was when this machine was used last. And that was probably closer to about 4 years ago, maybe 8 years ago, I don't know. But I know all my files are there. So this is what I'll be tinkering with for the next, well, however long it is.